Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on the DOOGEE S61 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now click on this application and then click install. Now click open. And now click on this button to skip introduction. And now click open permissions and click on AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then click back. Click back again and now click start. And as you can see, here is your AI assistant, and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.